This is my Stryfe. There are many like it, but this one is mine. This one is a little bit different. Okay, so if that piqued your interest, let's take a look under the hood and see how we did all that. It's a smart blaster. Obviously, you expect a big, hairy mess of wires, but we've got this pretty clean. I've designed a circuit board, which takes care of a lot of the business. It's Arduino compatible. It's the AT-Mega 328. There's a MOSFET under here to handle the motor switching. The system will work on the stock 6 volt batteries as well as the stock motors, but as you heard in the video, I've obviously got a little something under the hood here. These are Michel 2.0s, and I'm using a lithium 2S cell to drive them. So with the MOSFET, we've taken control of the rev switch to send signal with 28 AWG wire. We've also got control of the clip detect switch, so we know when a clip's inserted and removed. And then of course the real magic is the Hall effect sensors, which can determine which clip's been installed by where a magnet is installed on the clip here. And that's a trick I picked up from Tungsten EXE, who I believe picked it up from somebody else. And then to kind of top the whole thing off, obviously we got an infrared emitter detector pair on the barrel, so we know when a dart is fired, and additionally that allows us to determine the dart speed, so we have a chronograph. And then this is all kind of controlled by the jam door switch, is being used as kind of the on-off switch. And so hopefully that'll convince you that a smart blaster is not as scary as it might seem. It's actually fairly easy. And hopefully this kit I've designed will convince you that you want to give it a try. So this was Ken from Maker's Box. Thanks for watching.